Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 first things to do for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Yeah, and the first thing I recommend to you is to register with your Samsung account, because then you can use many features like the complete Galaxy AI for free and so on. Let me show you how you can do it. For that, just scroll down here right below the battery symbol. Then you are in the control center, and a part of the control center is obviously the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. And then here on top, you can register your Samsung account and you have all the things you need here. Now, I've done it already, and you can see a bit. You can use the Samsung Cloud. You have the complete Galaxy AI features for free, as I've told you. And yeah, here's an overview what you can use and so on and so on. It's just a partner. And you can use as well other services like to find your phone, even if it's turned off, and if it's offline and so on. You see the last position, and as well if it's turned on but offline, the phone can be detected as well with other Samsung phones. So pretty nice. So you should really enable this feature here. Okay, and other nice services. So just check it out. The next feature I want to show you is for the audio quality, because if you're having a pretty nice phone, you want to have as well the best sound. For that, also just scroll down here below the battery symbol, tap down here on the symbol for the settings, and go then to the point sounds and vibration. And if you scroll down a bit below, you will have here the sound quality and effects. And here I recommend to you, first of all, you need to go on allow here. And here I recommend to you to enable Dolby Atmos, because then you have the best sound here at the phone. And yeah, you can set it up a bit more for if it's for music more, or if it's for movies, or just for your voice. I recommend to you to leave here the automatic detection, and then it's really optimized for the situation. What I recommend to you as well is to enable this one here, the loudness normalization, because especially if you're watching movies, so sometimes if it's loud and sometimes is it not that loud, and here you can make a medium way. It's automatically here detected by the phone, and yeah, gives you the best quality at all. The next thing I want to show you is about the video quality, because you don't use the full resolution here at the phone. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, then tap you on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point display, and here you will find the point a bit below screen resolution. Now, actually it's on Full HD Plus, but I recommend to you to go on 4K, so QHD Plus, and then you have the best resolution here for your phone. Then just a tap on apply, and yeah, this needs a bit more battery power, but at all you will have really the best resolution here for a phone. And if you're watching 4K content, it's really in 4K, and yeah, just check it out. And you can improve videos much more by just increasing the screen brightness at movies. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point advanced features, and you will find the point video brightness. So actually it's a normal. I recommend to you to put it on bright, and here you can select the apps which one should use it. And usually it's auto detected also for Netflix and Disney Plus and Amazon Prime and so on. So just just enable here the apps which one should have this brighter scenes then, and yeah, so a pretty nice mode as well. And if you go back to the regular screen, by the way, you have the regular screen brightness again. A pretty nice mode for that. The next feature I want to show you is to make the phone a bit faster, because always if you open an app, you will have here a little animation. It zooms out and it zooms in. Whatever app it is, it could be also WhatsApp as well, it zooms out and it zooms in after. But if you remove these animations, the phone will feel much faster. Let me show you what I mean. So just scroll in here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point accessibility. Here it is. Then tap on vision enhancements, and you will find the point a bit below reduce animations. If you turn this feature on, that means that the app is immediately there and immediately gone. No? So anyhow, which app it is immediately gone. So now let me turn it back to the default settings. Then you will see how slow it feels, because if you have seen the differences, then it is much better to reduce these animations. It will make your phone feel so much faster. The next feature I want to show you is for your battery lifespan. So with the percentage, you should be always in between 20% and 85% at maximum. Then you will have a long lifespan of your battery power. So if it's under 20%, okay, just charge your phone, no problem. But if you want to charge your phone overnight, maybe it's difficult to check if the phone is always near 80 or 85%. And the phone can auto-detect it by its own and stop the charging automatically. Let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here, tap on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point battery. And here we have the point battery protection. It's by default already enabled with a basic point, but I recommend to you to tap here on maximum. That means that your charging level is just 80%. And of course, at the beginning, you have less power for the battery than other users, who doesn't have it. But at latest, after 1 year, your battery is more powerful than at other users, which one using just a basic feature or no battery protection. You should really try it out, and yeah, this is giving you a longer life for your phone. The next feature I want to show you is for your eyes, because we are all using our smartphone too often, and yeah, this is giving our eyes a lot of stress. But there's a way to reduce that stress. Let me show you how. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol. Then we're here at the control center. We have learned it already. And if you scroll down here at the shortcuts, you will have much more shortcuts right now. And one of it is the eye comfort shield. If you tap here, you will see that the screen is changing a bit from the color. It's a yellow touch right now. This is nothing else than a blue light filter, and this protects your eyes. And I recommend to you to long press now this symbol here, and then you are here at the settings of the blue light filter. Actually, it's on adaptive. If you tap now here on custom, you can increase the color temperature. And as more warm it is, it's better it is for your eyes. This blue light filter is also having a positive effect at your sleep. So I really recommend this to you. And yeah, if you don't want to have this feature here during the day because you will have this yellow touch or it might disturb you, maybe I recommend to you to tap here at the adaptive one to have at minimum the blue light filter in the evening hours, and on the day you have a minimum of the blue light filter as well. So this would be nice, the first point here, adaptive, if you just want to have it for the evening and the night. And apropos evening and night, especially if everything is dark around you and you're looking to a bright screen, that's also not that comfortable. I think you know what I mean. And for that you can enable a dark theme. Let me show you how you can have it. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol. We had that already, and then you have here the moon symbol. And if you tap it, you will see that you have enabled now the dark mode. So things what was bright before are now here at the dark mode. By the way, the dark mode is also pretty good to save energy because some pixels are turned off at dark areas on the OLED screen, what makes it good for the environment as well. But it has a big disadvantage because on the day the contrast is not that good for the eyes. So I recommend to you to have it only in the evening or at night. For that, just long press here the moon symbol, because you can schedule it automatically that you don't have to turn it on and off by your own. Also just tap here, and if the sun sets, the dark mode will turn off, and if the sun rises, the dark mode will turn off automatically. And you can have some more routines here at the phone. You can set up maybe that if you read in an ebook, that blue light filters as well enabled and so on automatically. Or you can open apps in landscape mode. What is nice, maybe if you're watching Netflix movies and laying down, then the phone is always in landscape mode in these apps. No? Same with YouTube, maybe if you like to watch in landscape mode and so on. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, then tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to check the point modes and routines. And you will have the point routines below. Can you see it? So here you can set up some routines. If you want to set up routines, tap here on the plus symbol. And now let's choose something. Add what will trigger this routine. Let's maybe take the Netflix and app and YouTube that they open in landscape mode. So if we open a specific app, tap on OK, tap it again. So then choose the apps you want to have in landscape mode, like Netflix, whatever. Let's open YouTube as well. Tap down here on done. So then add what the routine will do. And here we can open the screen on screen orientation in landscape mode. Go then on done. Go then on save. So you can give it a name as well. And so on. Now it's enabled here. So let me show you what happened now. So if I open now YouTube, it opens automatically in landscape mode. And now I can watch the videos in landscape mode anyhow, which position I have. And they're always in landscape mode and will not turn back automatically all the time. And the nice thing is, if I leave that app, the phone jumps back again to the portrait mode. Pretty nice. And you can have some more ideas if you don't know really what to do here. You can have here this point, discover, and you have so many use cases. So just check out and maybe there's some new things, and you can set up so much more. It's really nice. And yeah, this makes your day a bit more simple if you're using your phone. And just try it out. Maybe almost at the end of the video, and I want to show you here something almost invisible, because you can easily swipe out here a sidebar and you're having quick access to your favorite apps, and as well to Galaxy AI features like an interpreter or like a drawing assistant. So you can draw something and makes it to a generated picture. Just check it out. And you have also here your favorite apps. You can change these apps by just tap on the pen here. If you don't want to have here the gallery in that sidebar, you want to have instead WhatsApp, then just tap the home button, and whenever you swipe it out now, you will have WhatsApp here at your sidebar. What makes it nice is, even if you have your phone now with one hand, you can easily swipe it out and having quick access to nice tools and your favorite apps. So that's in the best position. You can long press this sidebar here, and you can move it now to another position, and more down or more up, or you can switch it also on the other side if you're left-handed. Now that's pretty nice. So just choose the best position, and that you can use it pretty nice here in a one-handed mode. So a pretty nice feature. Yeah, I hope I could help you here a bit with the setup of your phone. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.